Hello YouTube friends, and this afternoon we're going to plant peppers and broccoli, these pots behind me, and it will be a time lapse because we're running out of time. It's getting dark because this is the only available time we could have almost every day, as we don't have much time to plant like around 4 p.m. in the afternoon because I have to pick up my wife at work. So it's not also advisable to plant early morning because few hours from that the heat of the sun is not also good for the new planted vegetables. So from here I'll be planting broccoli and peppers, and I hope that you just keep watching and follow our journey. Dear YouTube friends, most of the days in a week I do work from morning till the evening because this is a one-man job, both the gardens that we have inside the house and also the added parcel of land outside that we are also renting. And I do vlogging on my other channel as well, so I have to maximize my time, and this is my only option that I can do at the moment, so I have to enjoy the privilege and the opportunity of doing this. And right now time won't limit us. It's getting dark and I'll get back to you a few days after the planting. These are the peppers, dear YouTube friends, that we planted a few days back, and it was dusk during the planting, and it was not very clear in the video because it was really dark. And also together that peppers we planted these broccoli plants right here, and I think it's around a week old since from the time of the transfer, and we planted flowers in the middle so that to encourage the bees and other helpful insects. So broccolis and peppers right here. Dear YouTube friends, don't worry, we'll get back here to these plants for future updates. And thank you for watching to our videos and for joining in our journey, and I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.